iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Mamelodi Sundowns 4, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Loftus Versfeld Stadium. DStv Premiership on a Saturday afternoon. Junior Khanye, our analyst. What do you make of the game, sir?
Yes,
sir.
Ngibulise. Justice. The legendary penalty Sofilagazi. Utrax. Tanaka Crest Machaka. Ebafethi kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one, trying to fix South African football.
Yes, sir.
Welcome to Mamelodi Sundowns University Lectures versus Kaizer Chiefs Primary School. Versus Kaizer Chiefs Primary School. The levels. When you sign players, never excited, this respond. Today was like a training session at Thursday, Paul work. Let's go back. There's a lot of work that you need to done. Compliment to Ata team yake. Yes, but Ata is a student to coach Rulani to and Steve Compella. When we say coach Ata Zwane must go and take another team, we're talking such things. They break it or make it. Some people will judge you with this. The team looked disjointed today. Starting a first whistle. You can't play ngokwinyika nongezane. Both they are flat. Hlale ngukutshela ngikule ngeke udlale ngabantu that they are not comfortable at the back, boy chiyo center back, and then besuta siqala ibhola at the back. Bama kanjani masiqala ibhola? Ngeke udlale ungana defensive midfield. Le bhola le goal number 2. iSundowns ilose ibhola lapha in the good defensive midfield, and then if there was a defensive midfield le bhola ngabalifika ngana kuShalulile. Unomanye was going to be bebazolwina somebody defensive midfield. Kaizer Chiefs, they were exposed. Today they were exposed in all departments. Midfield Kaizer Chiefs smart esithebe le show ukuthi akusiclass labo iclub. So badlalile today iKaizer Chiefs cause bekumele beze gaming ngoba igame namhlanje masikhuluma ivara. Uata di too many diagonal balls. Sundowns, they've got, I think by signing Ronan Williams, good signing, Ayam Suta, awareness, Umala good line. He's more of a player, not a keeper. Mabadlali long ball, either it goes to him or Pumela apparently. Unfortunately for Utipris is not there. Utipris nazo witness intention ade. But angeke udlale ngabantu abayi3 up front. Midfield njengowani le Charlie Mkwena. Also Mshishi, you'll be exposed. Because Sundowns today they were playing with departments against the team that plays so many long balls, diagonals as well. But Lala 2 square, Nkulma by 3, Alexander Cole by flat, Alexander Cole, Mart, Stebe. They're playing sideways, and then somebody Mart, whether Lomuntu ready or not, it doesn't even check the line. It's Sundowns push high, they play Kama or Frost, it's offside. There's no wait for right moment. Marleon tifuna ma comfortable player. Abantu abane vision awareness emnandi. Umuntu okwazi delay play. Mangikhuluma nge-delay play bekwandile Charlie. Kaizer Chiefs they try to press them. Ngitshela utsola studio. Uthi Chiefs is doing well maba press so. Behind them maba press ukama Billiard and kick and dolly. Solomon. Ubani athatha right back is front 3. I mean, when I was hot on the bench, wow, 30 front, right back, wing back, we chat with up front to call. The Muntu Lomela Marke, which mark up from up front. When he got the ball, what is he going to do? Yeah. So I take Abubeker balance Kaizer Chiefs up front. That's why you come up with that Namsabe Hamigel and Ukigen. You might think good the Bangal Choli Pole, yes, they were off. Who's the passer in the middle? I'm not defensive midfield that will link there at the back. If all expect to tell Sugelapa, who goalkeeper, Oganyele Kukinika. Aksumuntu ngabambi defensive midfield Kaizer Chiefs ahlule ukubamba midfield Stellenbosch starting the ball at the back utaqala ibhola kuli crowd engaka ungezana how many mistakes imbukela enza ama mistake and then udlala ngayo nokwinyika. You can't kuleko, they both uncomfortable on the ball, and the ball when they mark flat. Lo muntu mfana lo Shalulile uphuma phakathi wabo lapha, where were they ngoba uyi1 when Chiefs play the ball ngoba bana defensive midfield Ata must tell them abaqala ibhola one must pick. Shalulile already wanna become loose so that anything if it happens kube nomuntu ozomark. Now going to ama wing back Kaizer Chiefs, I think abo Rulani they very smart. That's why ngikhuluma nge-levels. Rulani they knew namhlanje this wing back they seated. Nomdiba, they rely. That's why I'm attacking, especially attacking players. They must be special. In the middle, you had Tondile Charlie, you had Mkwena, you had Uneomayema. No Mayema. I think Kumkwana, they was sitting both defensive midfielders, and then he was playing in front of them, sort of a diamond system shape. And then up front, they become Shishi, Shalulile, Sirino. The movement up front, there Sundowns today was relying. There was a game management in the middle. Ball circulation, guma error right. If I go on a silk ale, and then Kaizer Chiefs will sack them. If they come, Uronwen Begabalinda, Balkali Wandilu, Andila Pumengalo. If Andile Mtambe Umenaye, Uronen himself, because he's technically good, he's a more of a footballer. Uzola Dalale, Sirino will track. He comes to Sirino, it doesn't stay up front, coaching. Magafigul Dala Andile Sekateni Lucho in the line in the middle, Sebamovile. Andile love him, one of the best. Sundowns sends a mistake, it takes Galaxy not to play him. He's played a vital role, irrespective, compliment to the boy. One of the best midfield South Africa has ever produced defensive, summary. That's why I call them university. The class Namcha Bonisile. There's no team that can ever beat them if I'm a coach of fair, especially with players now Bonisa. Because number one, a body language from the first whistle, you can tell with Babu Yagulus. A compliment by signing Abubeker. Pegama Sapo. Abubeker, they call number 4. Abona Mouse swipe defense middle defense center back. We coach was good. There's a problem. And then Utalisi play Nabuma take to 5 months in Natal. That player was exposed. If he began by now Abubeker, so I'm sure because some push with a white. Abubeker will take him on until a boxing star. Uncle Lego was signing star. Yazipole. Nkule manga ngani baf. Yazi ezinye izinto mfethu azinidi explanation. Yamsuthi team. They find him. Esikhathi esi right. Makangena ukuyaphela boma take 10 minutes angatouch ibhola. They wait for the right moment. They run. Izenzele space. Good pass from Lakay. Begisape Sundowns. They brought Umdiba Pegulake, who seated on the bench. Lakay himself, he doesn't deserve to sit on the bench. When you sign players, Namtabi Banvelo Ulo. Oh, Basashaban Fonil Basalvela Bogan. PSL Condona equal, let's say, protest. Mtambe protest. Banga protest club. PSL just city protest for taking anyone that is so good. Because truly speaking, they need to Sundowns now, they need to, but compliment to Sundowns without saying whether they go reality. Compliment to technical team Sundowns, whoever was doing scouting, whoever was making decision in terms of signing by bringing Zoom. You can tell by in the mission, bring Abubeker, bring this guy Zoom, Champions League. Compliment. DStv Premiership akusihla sabo. We need to be honest, they proved themselves several times. Namhlanje ball circulation. Enye club leader sobe yokhaba amabhola standing or phezulu. Namhlanje the tempo of the game. Up front, if I go on comeback, ibhola malichikile chizi qine emuva. Discipline team ga ata namhlanje, I'm very disappointed. Kunelinye ibhola Abubeker la wafalla down. If he had the pass, it was 5. And I'm support Sundowns because wajwayele ukuthi ama team elathola isibhaxo baba iza 5. This is Kaizer Chiefs. Mawubizi 5 ku Chiefs of 4. Akusi Stellenbosch lesi mfethu. But it tells me class angithi abasasabi. So I think I'm a support South Africa. They need to believe us when to talk.
Kama Piliat penalty miss, Ronan Williams penalty save.
Why you comes na ibika chacha so today? Victor comes today to Shamoshi game. That's not a penalty. Namanya mafoul questionable. How comes na Nyamhloni comes akachile man. You must choose a man of the match. You will be rewarded by PSL, not usually man of the match. You don't get the man of the match. It's only players. Comes must chill out to Shamoshi game. That's not a penalty for me. I understand. Guna mama foul begawega. Mobonu day it's ruthless. I allow. It's a foul. I feel the man generally penalty. It's I understand. And good save for when I'm not. The hands are strong. Quick feet. Yamsuthi Sundowns. I don't think unyanga uzodlala. Yo, pheka mabaqala ibhola pheka if uJaluyeza, uJaluyeza is here. Ukwazi ukulichipa yena. Unokuphenduka midfield. Isweeper badlala nga 3 singathi bathe 3-4 ngaye ipali empty mnandi kakhulu. So compliment to Mamelodi Sundowns to set a lesson for all his team. Football should be played this way. Noma abantu bangalwa ayinamhlanje inkuleko. I'm a brother namhlanje bekuyile free lesson abantu bebageleza ngepazari.
Yeah, if you notice I was not even saying a lot. I was watching and absorbing this game. When we were watching inside I didn't say much because I could see like there was going to be something here. And we saw it because you could see Uti Sundowns is back. Shalulile Udala Central Yetwa. Ujali is back as well as a defensive midfielder. Sirino was back as well on the wide left. You could see Uti, okay, this is a serious Sundowns. Just one more from me to you. You mentioned something very important, and maybe we can repeat this to the fans as well. On the one bench, Kompela, Ngeti, Mukwena. On the other bench, a coach that is coaching maybe in his first full season, maybe it's his fourth game with first full season yakhe, third game with first full season yakhe. There's levels to this.
You know, in the plung atazan ku kren with bamkai. They did a good thing marang bachelile mina maikali season bang expect anything. There's always be experience. There always be a class. He need to prove himself first. We need to be honest. Nalintone basifakile from MTC boplom, they did nothing. I think the coaching must check it team after the way Mamelodi responding akona good class Sundowns. If there was coaching properly, I'm a player ordinary. There's a lot of actually I mean Abo Seve overrated. Abo Mart. I'm sorry, we should so best pegi penchilam. It's wrong. Solomons, whoever that they signed, Solomons. Unfortunately, the Prince is the only player that is promising from the signing. That's the only player. But you can't rely on the power. So mama came as so point in. You need to balance the game in order to shine. Mubuzile minankulego in the during the week. Their defense layer. Suspect and the goalkeeper as well. A goalkeeper problem. Abubeker le bola shadlula la. Abu price fumanabo they must be choking man. Kuna matima ashota ngabo goalkeeper we PC mutsipeli kabo fana mede aygabi just actually release because Lions and namhlanje is off. But even the technical team by putting back Kune bench a game so he only score result. Now he's dropping the confidence. Le steam besitsa qala sama paper basically.
There you go. That's Kaizer Chiefs losing to Mamelodi Sundowns. Very straightforward one. There's nothing we can say on YouTube, even if we can argue on the comments. This was that. Like, the match was the match itself. Whatever you say, whether it's love or anything, even us, whatever we say, just watch the game. It will speak for itself. If you watch that game, it speaks for itself. It doesn't matter what he says or what I say, what So says or what you say on the comments. Watch that game. You won't get 90 minutes. It will speak for itself. We'll go to which one is bigger and better and which one is weaker from the two teams. iDiskiTV, iDiski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you very much for watching us.